So, hi.
Hai Kak.
Hello. I'm a
Oh,
newcomer. This is my second
yes,
time.
you are newcomer because you're late. Come.
Somebody.
Do I have to punish you? No, just kidding, guys. So we have Mr. Nahbi and also Mr. Daddy. Hi, welcome back to Smart Up Your Life. Okay. Tonight our topic is unforgettable moments in life. Oh, I'm sure that you have moments very, very memorable in your life. So, but first I want to continue the conversation with Mr. Achang.
Oke Kak.
Before, what's the memorable or the unforgettable moments that happen in your life, and
Okay.
maybe it can be the turning point of your life.
Okay, so actually last month I am join in how to say pertandingan. Competition.
You
Competition
join the competition?
in my campus is debate. I don't really expect I can win in this in this competition because I think we have a lot of competitor, and of course now I think I am as a delegate in my campus, and I don't really expect that. So I think it is the very memorable for me because it is the first time I get achievement, because when I elementary school, junior high school, senior high school, I never to join in competition because I'm scared. It is very giving me I'm really learn for this because actually we should try because we don't know what is the result from this. That's why I'm really proud in myself. Thank you,
Yes,
Kak.
and be proud of you
Wow.
too. So congratulations, the winner of debate competition, right? Oh, okay. So your rival is coming from another campus, also another institution, or
Yesterday I compete bertanding. I
Yes.
compete with the other such as Unhas, Unifa and so on. I think
oh,
so.
so you are the winner of the competition. So once again, congratulations, Mr. Aichan. Oh my God! So,
but this is the best.
so where we can celebrate the.
I just wanna clarify. This is using bahasa Indonesia.
Oh my!
No,
It's
no.
okay. It's okay. The important thing is you are the winner.
This guy is the winner.
So, you do the competition with your team, as a team.
Yeah, as a team.
Okay, can you mention your team?
Husna,
Oh, Miss
Miss
Husna.
Husna.
Okay, and
Yeah, just
just the two of
yeah,
you.
just two.
Okay. So once again, congratulations. I'm waiting for the invitation to celebrate this moment.
We're going to the
Yes. Well, but we have to put underline to the lesson that he learned from the competition itself. He can be the brave one after joining and compete with another rivals from the other universities, and I think that's a heavy rival, right? The heavy rivals to compete with. And once again, congratulations. Oh, I'm so proud. Okay, well, next from Mr. Achang, we move to Mr. Daddy.
Hello.
What's the moment to learn and unforgettable moments that happen in your life?
Oh, I have several moments that I actually want to share.
Mhm.
But if I have to pick one, I think when I was
okay.
selected as the one of the Indonesian delegate for Wisely. Wisely is
Oh.
actually I don't know if you know this guys, but Wisely is actually a program that made by Barack Obama
Uh-huh.
in 2013.
So you are going to America?
Yes, it was the program that Barack Obama has for Southeast Asian people,
Mhm.
especially students around 18 to 25 years old.
Can you hold the microphone, please?
Yeah, okay, I'm so sorry. Am I audible? I'm sorry, I thought we had to share the mic, bro. I'm so sorry. So am I audible right now? Okay.
Yes. I can
Oh,
hear
okay.
your voice clearly.
It's so messed up. Right?
So we don't miss the moment.
Sure. Thank you. Yeah, I think it's back then when it's 2018, if I'm not mistaken. I mean, like I was born in a rural area where we almost didn't have electricity there, and suddenly I was chosen as the delegate for Indonesian as the representative for that program. I was like, that's a really turning point for me. As I can prove to people, no matter where you're from, when you try so hard, when you know that what you're doing and what you're pursuing for, you can achieve your dream, and that's actually valid. So
Okay.
yeah, that's a really turning point, and it's
Okay.
really
Beside that,
memorable.
what's the how to say? What's the important lesson that you learn when you how to say when you become a delegation in that program?
Yeah.
So how long that's program running?
It takes a week for Indonesian program. It's conducted in Jakarta, but 3 months in the Philippines and the rest for the America.
Okay.
Yes.
So you have been in the Philippines for 3 months.
Yes, for the program.
Okay, so in that program, when running the program as delegation of Indonesia, what's the big or the most important lessons that you learn, and then that lesson you apply in your life and change you?
Okay. So actually, you know that I was born in a rural area, right? And I think it's not a privilege for people who started off or were born in big city. To start off by that, what I learned is that I have to try twice harder than anybody else.
Yes.
That's what what I'm realizing after joining that program. Where when I saw several delegates as well from Indonesia, there are 15 delegates actually. They are actually coming from big city. They are from UI, they are from UGM, they are from Jakarta, which is actually the most privileged cities in Indonesia that you actually can be facilitated by education. So what I learned is that I will learn twice harder, but it doesn't mean that I will be lost to anyone who probably have that privilege. And when I joined the program in the Philippines, I learned a lot again from the society there about how they are so welcoming to me. The first time I encountered culture shock when I had to eat a living worm there. Is a
okay.
tradition, is a cuisine in the Philippines that I have to try that I almost thrown up. But because I have to be responsible and to be respecting them, then I had to try.
Oh, yes.
At
Because
least it-
there's no choice.
There's no choice. At
There's
least
no
after
choice.
that, we trying to find another KFC. It's not it's not endorsement, but that's what we're looking after having that cuisine.
Yes, yes, yes. So it's a good memory.
It's real memorable.
An inspirational story.
Thank you.
And I put the underline to your story. The privilege is not anything
Yep.
that we must have in our life. So without privilege, we can be more than we expect,
Yeah, sure.
beyond our power,
Mhm.
right? So okay,
Thank you.
am I inspirational one?
You are so inspirational.
Well, because we can learn from another people's story,
Yeah,
right?
of
For the
course.
people experience, we can learn the lesson that we can apply to our life too. So, what about you, Mr. Nai? What's the inspirational story one from you?
Maybe I'm going to give something different. Maybe basically the most thing that is really memorable or like a milestone in my life is that when I was elementary school. So at the moment, basically, I was really lazy, especially on studying anything. So basically, I haven't found my my patience. Like right now, my passion is in English, but previously, I was really lazy at the moment.
Are you
And
the bottom student? in-
of
in
course,
your
yeah.
class?
I really almost bottom students at the moment, but yeah, because of my mother and also my father and also especially my brother, because my brother coming from English department also, so
That pushed
he,
you a lot.
he pushed me a lot in learning English especially, and also learning anything to be diligent. And then I really remember this kind of moment. So the moment when I really didn't want to study, and then my brother, he looks like he has lost options to push me, and then he said that if you didn't want to study, I will how to say, I will not I will not make you like my brother.
Oh,
Yeah, he used to say like that. And then I did that. I
You can check
directly
again your name on your kartu keluarga.
I almost banned. I almost banned from Kakak.
So,
But yeah, at the moment that was really milestone in my life. I directly study hard a lot, and then yeah, I go to English club, and then yeah, here I am.
oh.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
you can hear
and then
his pronunciation
basically
right
I
now.
really hate that moment, but now I realize that this is really important, and then yeah, I can feel all of the things that he already talked to me. So yeah,
So thanks
that's
to your brother.
really milestone in my life.
Thanks to your brother.
Yeah, of course.
He is a hero
Yeah,
to make you.
I didn't expect this actually.
Yes, yes.
Because if he didn't push me at the moon, maybe I cannot stand in here. Yeah, I just like become kayak people in general.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
found him. I
Yeah,
found
or-
him the first time. He was a quiet person.
Yeah.
Today I see him that he's much better.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
He's more talkative.
Whoa! Oh my God! This is the
Yeah.
inspirational one.
Yeah.
Can I cry?
Yeah.
But guys, to make a change to our life, I believe it is an easy to have a change and to change our habit, to change our mind, and yeah, we see now we did it.
Yeah.
Change his mind, change his habit to be the people he's today.
Yes.
So once again, congratulations! Oh my God, your memory, guys, are very inspirational. Okay, one memory that I'm curious to know that the moments of Miss Dewi's life when her husband proposed her to
Oh my
be
God.
a wife, and
Like
also
love story.
I want to know the detail.
About the
Maybe you can learn from his husband. Her
Oh my God.
husband.
yeah.
We are all ears.
Yes, and you can copy the way he proposed.
We are all ears.
Okay, but you can answer the question after the break. So
Oh.
don't go anywhere, smart listener.